Hey everyone, my name is Robbie Calvin, and today we're going to be talking about why AI projects need a rulebook. Now, imagine you're building a city, not just a few buildings, an entire city. Homes, roads, hospitals, power plants, transportation systems. Now imagine you hire a construction crew that can build thousands of structures per day. They're incredibly fast. They never get tired. They can construct entire neighborhoods overnight. But there's a catch. They only follow instructions. If you don't give them rules, they will still build the city, but it might look like this. The workers didn't do anything wrong. They just built without a city plan. This is exactly what happens when developers start using AI coding systems like Codex. AI agents are like extremely fast construction crews for software. They can read entire repositories, modify dozens of files, build features, refactor systems, and fix bugs. But if you don't give them the structure, they will still build your software city just without planning. You might end up with duplicate systems, inconsistent architecture, unsafe code, or random utilities everywhere. The problem isn't the AI. The problem is there's no city rulebook. In professional software engineering, teams solve this with documentation and internal standards. But when working with AI agents, those rules need to be written in a place the AI can actually read them. So instead of a city handbook, we create a folder called .codex. Inside that folder, we place documents that act like the city's planning department. For example, your folder might look something like this. Each file acts like a different part of the city government. Model instructions teaches the AI how engineers think. Guardrails defines the laws of the city. Architecture describes how the city is organized. Repo map acts like a map of important locations. Debugging playbook explains how repair crews should investigate problems. When Codex starts working on a project, it reads these files first. That means instead of repeating instructions every time you open the AI, the repository itself becomes the rulebook. The result is a city that grows in a controlled, organized way. Instead of chaos, you get well-planned infrastructure, consistent architecture, safe development practices, and clean upgrades over time. The AI is still incredibly fast, but now it's building inside a properly planned city. In the next video, we're going to build the first and most important rulebook file, model instructions. This file teaches the AI construction crew how a senior city engineer thinks before building anything.